Imagine a world where welding robots follow your instructions just by listening. The operator just quickly texts or tells the robot what to weld. Here, to select all seams longer than 300 millimeters. The software proceeds to create a sequence out of those, which you can now see on the left-hand side. The reddish line indicates a seam for which the parameters are shown on the right-hand side. Now, the operator continues to tell the software to pick all horizontal seams, which are now added to the sequence. No more complex programming, no more wasted time. With ABAGY, you simply text or speak, and it welds. Sounds too good to be true? Come and see it for yourself at FabTech and witness how ABAGY is reshaping the future of welding.